These are SPY Discord frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. Now, to remove a lens, you are going to pull outward on the top of the frame while pushing downward on the lens. Again, pull out and push down, like so. Now, to replace the lenses or to reinstall them, you're going to take the far side of the lens and place it into the grooves that are on the far side of the frame, like so. You want to make sure that it's nice and secure, and then you're just going to push the exposed corners down into the frame. You should hear a loud pop or click. Again, far side of the lens into grooves on the far side of the frame, and just pop and pop.